A duplicate account error in Rewarded Play is usually caused by signing in with a different account, reinstalling the app incorrectly, or creating more than one profile on the same device. By the end of this video, you'll know what causes the duplicate account message, how to fix it, and what to avoid so the problem doesn't happen again. Here's the first thing to understand. Don't create another account if you see a duplicate account warning. Creating additional accounts can make the situation more complicated and may make it harder to recover the account you were already using. Start by checking which account you're signing in with. If you previously used a Google account or another linked login method, make sure you're selecting that same account during the sign-in process. Using a different account can make Rewarded Play think you're trying to create a second profile. If you've recently changed phones or reinstalled the app, verify that you're restoring your existing account instead of registering as a new user. Signing in with the original account is the safest way to recover your progress and rewards. Next, restart your phone and reopen Rewarded Play. Temporary login errors can sometimes trigger account-related messages even when your account is valid. If the issue continues, update Rewarded Play through your device's app store. Running the latest version helps eliminate bugs that may affect account authentication or syncing. You should also avoid using multiple Google accounts on the same device while troubleshooting. If several accounts are available, double-check that Rewarded Play is connecting to the one you originally used. If you've cleared the app's data or performed a factory reset on your device, sign in carefully with your existing account credentials instead of creating a fresh profile. Taking a few extra seconds here can prevent duplicate account issues. When none of these steps solve the problem, contact Rewarded Play support before making any additional changes. Explain that you're seeing a duplicate account message and provide the email address or login method associated with your original account. Including details about your device and when the problem started can also help the support team investigate more efficiently. The most important thing is to avoid repeatedly uninstalling the app or attempting multiple new registrations while the issue is unresolved. Those actions usually don't fix the problem and may create more confusion during account recovery. The key points are simple. Use the same account you originally registered with, don't create a second profile. Keep the app updated, and contact support if the duplicate account message remains. Your next step is to confirm your original login method, sign in with that account, and only reach out to support if the error still appears. If this guide helped you understand the issue, like the video and subscribe for more Rewarded Play troubleshooting guides, tutorials, and reward app tips.